Hello, my name is Barak. I work here at Rmote.health. I just want to do a short video to explain um, the premium features for patients and the way that the pricing system works. So firstly to say my aim with this was really to have the core features as a free function, because my ultimate aim for this is to help people have better control of their blood pressure and to make it easy to share that with their healthcare team, and for healthcare teams to be able to have a nicely functioning packaged reporting system for them. So for the patient, there is a basic function. This includes, sharing with your GP, and it includes the usual tracking and adding of your blood pressure. Every patient gets a 14-day free trial of the premium features, and essentially what they are advanced data insight. So it has sort of more graphical insight into your trends and how well your monitoring is. And I'll give you some examples of that. You can subscribe to a monthly service, which is £1.59 for the month first year, which goes up to £3.79 after a year per month, and or you can do an annual cost of £14.99, which saves you a bit of money. You can cancel this at any time, and hopefully it's pretty straightforward setting that up. So when you come to your dashboard as a patient, you'll see your sort of health status, your averages over 30 days, your target, and some basic generalized nice guidance. Now and then you can record your blood pressure as you normally would. These are features that are there for free patients, for free accounts, and you can also add your GP surgery and adjust that, and you can share reports with your GP as you normally would as well. Now, if you have a paid account, you essentially get these two. You have access to these two trends. So if you're paying, you get essentially a pretty account, a pretty graph which has your averages, your sort of how things have changed over the past 30 days, a number of readings. You can change that to be 7 days or 30. Also shows your weight as well. And then in your monitoring, it includes those similar things, but also gives an idea of how things are in the morning and evening, which can be quite useful in seeing the differences there. Shows your range and some insight into how your monitoring is going. So it's not a huge cost to have these features. So if that's something you want, then just sign up. The other thing to say is part of the mission of Rmote.health is to actually take this to places where healthcare provision is really poor. I have a link with Uganda, and the profits that are made from this will be going to help set up a system which can benefit those who really do lack healthcare input, so I appreciate all those who register and subscribe, as you are essentially helping those who are, really have a much more difficult life than us here in the UK. All right, thanks for listening. All the best.